In the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicles, the 2025 Škoda Elroq emerges as a beacon of innovation, showcasing Škoda's commitment to sustainable mobility and cutting-edge technology. Built on the MEB platform, this electric SUV not only promises zero-emission driving but also offers unprecedented flexibility with its choice of 3 distinct battery packs, catering to diverse consumer needs and driving preferences. At the core of the Škoda Elroq's appeal is its modular electric drivetrain, which accommodates 3 different battery configurations: a standard range pack for urban commuters seeking efficiency, a mid-range option for balanced performance, and a long-range variant for extended driving range on highways and beyond. This versatility ensures that drivers can tailor their Elroq to suit their lifestyle without compromising on range or usability. Designed with a focus on aerodynamics and efficiency, the Škoda Elroq boasts a sleek and contemporary exterior. Its clean lines and bold proportions not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to reduced drag, optimizing range and stability at higher speeds. LED lighting signatures and distinctive Škoda design elements further distinguish the Elroq as a forward-thinking SUV in the electric vehicle market. Inside, the cabin of the Škoda Elroq combines spaciousness with modern comfort and connectivity. Premium materials adorn the interior, providing a luxurious feel while maintaining durability for everyday use. Ergonomically designed seats, complemented by adjustable features and ample legroom, ensure that both drivers and passengers experience utmost comfort on longer journeys. Technological innovation takes center stage within the Škoda Elroq, where a comprehensive infotainment system integrates seamlessly with smartphone connectivity and voice command functionality. Driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, enhance safety and convenience, making each drive not only electric but also effortless and enjoyable. Performance-wise, the Škoda Elroq delivers spirited acceleration thanks to its electric powertrain, which generates instant torque for responsive handling in various driving conditions. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the Elroq's agile performance and smooth ride quality ensure a dynamic driving experience that aligns with the expectations of modern drivers. As Škoda's latest offering in the electric SUV segment, the 2025 Elroq represents a significant step towards sustainable mobility without compromising on practicality or innovation. Its adaptable battery pack options, combined with a robust feature set and striking design, position it as a compelling choice for environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize versatility and performance in their vehicles. In conclusion, the 2025 Škoda Elroq epitomizes Škoda's vision for the future of mobility, an electric SUV that combines advanced technology with everyday usability. With its range of battery options, sleek design, and advanced features, the Elroq sets a new standard in the electric vehicle market, promising a greener, smarter, and more enjoyable driving experience for the discerning driver of today and tomorrow.